Hello students, in this video we'll discuss few sums from the exercise 2.2 unit 2 triangles. Third question in the exercise, in figure LM parallel to BC and LN parallel to CD. Prove that AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. In solution, we'll apply the basic proportionality theorem to solve this. They are given LM is parallel to BC. So, theorem states that a line drawn parallel to a side of a triangle divides the other two sides in an equal ratio. So, apply the corollary of BPT for ABC triangle and ADC triangle. In triangle ABC, LM is parallel to BC, therefore AM by AB is equal to AL by AC. Similarly, in triangle ADC, AN by AD is equal to AL by AC. Call it as equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, both are equal to AL by AC. Therefore, LHS are equal. AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. Hence, proved. Next question is, in a given figure, DE parallel to AC and DF parallel to AE. To prove BF by FE is equal to BE by AC. Solution. Consider BAC triangle. In BAC triangle, DE is parallel to AC. So apply basic proportionality theorem. The sides are in the ratio BE by AC is equal to BD by AD. Call it as equation 1. Similarly, in triangle BAE now, DF is parallel to AE. By basic proportionality theorem, we can write the ratio of the sides BF by FE is equal to BD by DA. Call it as equation 2. From equation 1 and 2 now, we'll get BE by EC is equal to BF by FE. Hence, proved. In next question, DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. To show that EF is parallel to QR. Here we have to use converse of basic proportionality theorem. Means to show that EF is parallel to QR, we need to prove other two sides are in the same ratio. To prove that, we'll consider POQ triangle first. In POQ triangle, DE is parallel to OQ. Then, by applying the BPT, you can write PE by EQ is equal to PD by DO. Call it as equation 1. Similarly, for triangle POR, DF is parallel to QR. DF is parallel to OR. Then sides are in the ratio PD by DO is equal to PF by FR. Call it as equation 2. In both equation 1 and 2, PD by DO is common side. Therefore, we can write P by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Now, by using converse of BPT, when two sides are in a same ratio, then line is parallel to the third side. EF is parallel to QR. Next question. In a given figure, ABC are the points on OP, OQ and OR respectively. And AB is parallel to PQ, AC is parallel to PR. To show that BC is parallel to QR. Solution for this also based on converse of basic proportionality theorem. First, for a POQ triangle, AB is parallel to PQ. Therefore, by using the basic proportionality theorem, the sides are in the ratio OA by AP is equal to OB by PQ. Call it as equation 1. Similarly, for POR triangle, AC is parallel to PR. Therefore, OA by AP is equal to OC by CR. Call it as equation 2. From the equation 1 and 2, OA by AP is a common ratio. Therefore, we can write OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. Now, sides are in the ratio, two sides are in the same ratio, then the line joining this will be parallel to the third side. BC parallel to QR and proved. Next question. Using BPT, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side and bisect the third side. Recall that you have proved it in class 9th. Children, recall you have proved the midpoint theorem in class 9th. It states that a line drawn through the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. So, in a figure now, what they have given, D is a midpoint of AB and DE is parallel to BC. To prove here, E is a midpoint of AC. To prove that E is a midpoint of AC, if you prove EE is equal to CE, enough. So in triangle ABC now, DE is parallel to BC. Therefore, by using a theorem, you can write AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. And D is the midpoint of AB line. Therefore, AD is equal to BD. You can write AD by DB as 1. Then 1 is equal to AE by EC. It implies AE is equal to EC. Hence, E is the midpoint of AC. Next question. By using a converse of BPT, show that or prove that line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. By using the same midpoint theorem what you have done in the 9th standard. Here, converse of previous sum. They have given DE is parallel to BC. Here, you need to prove DE is parallel to BC and D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC is given. So, D is the midpoint of AB means AD by DB ratio if you have taken equal to 1. And E is the midpoint of AC means AE by EC is also equal to 1. So, AD by DB is equal to 1. AE by EC is also equal to 1. They can write AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Now, use the converse of basic proportionality theorem like DE is parallel to BC. Hence, proved. Next question is ABCD is a trapezium, AB parallel to DC and diagonal intersect each other at O. Show that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. To prove this, we need to draw an extra construction EO, that is line parallel to a DC and DC is parallel to AB. So draw EO parallel to DC. Now consider ABD triangle. In this ABD triangle, EO is parallel to AB because EO parallel to DC and DC is parallel to AB. Therefore, you can consider EO parallel to AB. Apply BPT now. we can write the other two sides are in an equal ratio. Which are the other two sides? AE by ED is equal to BO by DO. Call it as equation 1. Similarly, apply BPT for ADC triangle. In this, EO is parallel to DC. Now, other two sides are in the same ratio. AE by ED is equal to AO by CO. Now, call it as equation 2. From the equation 1 and 2, BO by DO is equal to AO by CO. Then cross multiply, because in a given proof, AO by BO is there. So, cross multiply that. BO you take to RHS side and CO you take to LHS side. AO by BO is equal to CO by DO, and proved. The last question is, the diagonal of quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at point O such that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. In this, they are given ABCD is a quadrilateral. We need to prove ABCD is a trapezium. So, we have to prove AB is parallel to DC. For that, we will draw a line EF which is parallel to AB. And given is AO by BO is equal to CO by OD. Transpose this OC to the RHS side and BO to the RHS side. OA by OC is equal to BO by OD. In triangle DAB now, EO is parallel to AB. Then, by using a theorem, we can write other two sides are in a same ratio. Therefore, DE by EA is equal to DO by OB. Call it as equation 2. Now, from the equation 1 and 2, we will get AO by OC is equal to AE by ED. Now, in a figure, AO by OC is equal to AE by ED. It means that EO is parallel to DC by converse of basic proportionality theorem. So, EO is parallel to DC, but EO is parallel to AB according to the construction. Therefore, AB is also parallel to CD. So, AB is parallel to CD means ABCD is a trapezium. Thank you, children.